Good morning, students. Today we will learn how the share of profit of deceased partner is to be calculated on the basis of sales or turnover. In our previous video, we just come to know that how the share of the profit of deceased partner is to be calculated on the basis of time. Today we will learn on the basis of sales. Illustration number 63. Then the concept will be clear to us. Let's do. Sarah, Sita and Meena were partner in a profit sharing profits and losses in the ratio that is 2:2:1. Sarah dies on 30th June 2017 whereas the firm closes its books on 31st March every year. According to partnership deed, Sarah's representative means executor would be entitled to get the share in the interim profits of the firm to be calculated on the sales basis. And sales are also given to us. Sales and profit for the year 2016 were 6 lakh and 1 lakh 80,000 respectively. What does it mean? Means sales are 6 lakh while the profit for the year on that sale is rupees 1 lakh 80. And sales in the year 2017-18 till the date of her death is amounting to rupees 1 lakh 20,000. Now in this question, what are the points to be noted? One, the very first one, the date of the death, that is 30th June, while the date of the preparation of accounts, that is 31st March. It means we have to calculate the profit. When the firm closes its books on 31st March, the person died, the partner died on 30th June. It means April, May, June, 3 months profit is there. Here the profit and sales are given for last complete year. And sales till date are also given to us. Now in this question, you have to keep in your mind the sales till death are given. Sales for the year are not given in this question. We have to calculate the Sarah's share of interim profit. What to do in that case? We have to calculate the ratio of the profit of the sales. Profit of last year divided by sales of last year, we will get the percentage of the profit that we earned last year. It means last year we earned 30% profit of our sale. Now we will calculate that of this period of sale profit respectively according to the percentage. Now profit up to the date of the death. Sales up to the date of the death is 1 lakh 20. Out of that 1 lakh 20 sales, the 30% are the profits. So it is to be calculated as per percentage of the profit and that is 36,000. Now the question arises, this 36,000 is the share of profit of the firm. But we need the share of profit of deceased partner. And deceased partner ratio is 2:2:1. It is 2 by 5. 36,000 into 2 by 5, we just come to know that what is the share of Sarah's share in profit. Keep one thing in your mind, on the basis of time, we have to count the months, but on the basis of sales, as the sales are given for the particular period, so no need to calculate the sales, the profit of the time period. In that case, we have to calculate the profit according to the percentage on the sale. The entry will remain same, profit and loss suspense account to Sarah's capital account. That 14,400 is to be transferred to Sarah's capital account by profit and loss suspense account. In this way, you have to try the next following questions in which you have calculated the share of goodwill, that is as it is we have done in retirement. Profit and loss suspense account was different, that I have discussed in both of the bases. And try the next following 3 questions, that is 64, 65 and 66, and you are feel free to take your queries anytime, and tomorrow I'll discuss if any queries raised by you or the further points next. Thank you. Have a nice day.